This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a Firebase project and enabling the authentication providers you plan to use. Once done, install the Firebase SDK or add the CDN script to your page. Next, initialize Firebase in your app using the API key and auth domain from the console. This step wires your client to the project. You should verify your config immediately. If you use Modular SDK, import getAuth and initialize app. If you use namespaced SDK, call Firebase, initialize app. This gets you ready to implement sign-in flows. Now implement the actual sign-in flows. You create an auth instance with getAuth, then call sign-in with pop-up for OAuth providers or sign-in with email and password for email accounts. Handle the returned user object, UID, email, display name, and store any tokens only when necessary. Once a user signs in, use on auth state change to update UI and protect routes. This ensures only authenticated users access private pages. Also include sign out and password reset flows. Make sure to catch and show errors from Firebase so users know what went wrong. Finish by tightening authentication rules and completing provider settings. You should set Firebase security rules, configure email templates, and add authorized domains and redirect URIs for OAuth providers. This prevents blocked sign-ins. Test flows across devices and browsers, and log the full error messages when something fails. If an authentication attempt fails, first confirm your API key and auth domain match the console. Then verify authorized domains and OAuth redirect URIs. If problems persist, reinitialize the SDK and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.